What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. So the F-150's in the shop. What's up, YouTube? So today we're not in the truck. We're in my wife's 2004 Chevy Impala, and we're on our way up to the White Mountains. So yesterday I'm driving along and I get a red warning light on my dashboard, and it says low engine oil pressure. So of course I get concerned. I pull off into a parking lot, I shut it off, I Google it. Apparently it is a fairly common issue, but it's usually on older ones, 2011 to 2014s from what I'm reading. Some 5.0s, but not really the 3.5. It could be the oil pump, but most likely it's the sensor. So I shut off the truck, I turn it back on, pressures are fine, the temperatures are fine, so I'm thinking it's good to go. I drive it, and when I shut it off and turn it back on, the light goes away, and then I drive home, so I go back to work, I drive home. I said I'm going to take it on the highway quick, just to check, and of course it comes back on. So I dropped it off at the dealership today. They snuck me in, and it's probably going to be at least a day, but I'm hoping it's just a sensor, no turbo, none of that malarkey. So let's hope and pray. Either way, though, I'm not very happy. $50,000 truck sticker, and 5,800 miles on her, and yeah, not good, not very happy, Ford. So let's see what the dealer has to say. I'll let you know when I hear.